Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Philip Coleman. The Alabama Department of Public Health is investigating a case of tuberculosis at the Mercedes Benz Plant in Vance. WVUA's Jennifer Edwards has details now in tonight's top story.
The Alabama Department of Public Health says they were contacted by a hospital on Wednesday about a patient and team member of Mercedes having tuberculosis. After further testing, they were able to confirm the person had an advanced and active case of TB. Although tuberculosis can be fatal if not treated properly, Pam Barrett with the Alabama Department of Public Health says there is no reason for Mercedes Benz employees to worry at this time.
Normally TB is limited to just the people who you were around for an extended period of time. It takes several hours of repeated exposure before someone would actually pick up the TB germ.
Barrett nor Mercedes will disclose where in the plant the person worked, but Barrett says it was in a large open area, and because of this, fellow employees may be less likely to contract the disease.
It's airborne, it's strictly airborne, it's only from sharing air. Usually places as large as Mercedes or other plants of that size, transmission is not very easy.
But she says as a precaution, those who worked alongside the person or in that same area are being tested. And if for some reason those results come back positive for infection, Barrett says there's no reason to panic.
That doesn't mean that they have active TB, that just means that they've been exposed to it and have picked up the germ. Those individuals will get a chest x-ray, and if their x-ray show that they don't actually have TB disease, they will be given a preventive medicine. Mercedes is working closely with the Department of Public Health. They released this statement saying, in part, since our primary concern is the health and safety of our team members, we are notifying all team members of the situation. MBUSI will rely on the ADPH to determine next steps and the proper course of action. Now, Barrett says about 50 people were tested this afternoon, and their results should be back by early next week. The person with TB is currently being treated. For WVUA News, I'm Jennifer Edwards.